are here.
All right. I can't believe Redd is about to get out in a couple days. I have been waiting 7 years for this. I'm just so excited and overwhelmed. Hi.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Matt.
Nice to meet you. My name's Joy.
Yeah, come on in.
Thanks. I'm flying to Missouri today to be there for Redd's release. I have not spent any physical time with him. I've never seen him in person, but he's my everything. Like, I love him so much. And, you know, we've always talked about having a family.
What's your legal issue? How can I help you?
I am in a relationship with my boyfriend. We've been together for about 7 years now. His name is Graylin. Everybody calls him Redd. And so he's getting out of prison on Friday. And we do have a 3-year-old. His name is Sway, but he's not biologically his father. I just have some questions about adoption, because we've definitely talked about Graylin getting custody of him. Redd loves Sway and he wants to be there. He wants to be the dad. You know, we talk all the time and Sway's always there. Sway knows him as dad, calls him dad. Even though I cheated on him, he wants to say, you know, this is my child and I have all, you know, rights over him. And, you know, he's just as much mine as he is yours.
So adoption, it is an option, but the court's really going to be looking at and going to want to see you married for a couple of years and a really strong bond to be developed between Sway and Graylin. Tell me about the biological father. What's going on there?
I'm not sure exactly who it is. It could be, you know, one of 3 people.
When I asked you who Sway's father is, you only told me about one.
I
So
know.
I didn't know that there was 3 of them.
Right. Yeah, I mean, it's not something I'm happy about, you know? I'm not happy to bring out that I cheated and stuff. Like, of course, I don't want to come out and say, you know, there's 3 possibilities. But there is, and it is something that I did. You know, I can't take it back. As much as I say I regret it, I got something beautiful out of it. You know, I got my son out of it, so. When I first started dating Redd, he told me he had maybe like 3 or 4 years before he was released on parole. But he got in fights, got violations, and then his day got pushed back. And that's why he had to serve his full 10-year sentence. It is what it is at this point, you know. I don't know who the father could be. I was never asked if that was okay. I was never asked how I felt about it. You know, I'm lonely, I'm sad, I'm horny. It wasn't a good mix at all, and that's why I cheated.
What happens after he adopts Sway if they do get a divorce?
If the adoption is granted, then Graylin's going to step into the biological father's shoes. If you were to get divorced, then it would be just like a normal custody case.
Of course, we don't want that to happen, but it's you know, stuff we have to talk about, stuff we have to address. I came into this relationship hoping that we're gonna be together forever. You know, I'm not planning for it not to work out and us having to battle over Sway. Thank you so much. It was nice to meet you.
You as well.
Thank you.
I'm not ready to lose potentially my man and my son. Like, that's my baby. I would do anything to protect him, to make sure he's always good.